Welcome back, everybody. What I did get in today, guy brought it to me to see if I get it started for him, and the first thing I noticed was there was literally no compression. There's nothing there. I took the spark plug out and threw a screwdriver down there and pulled just to make sure that the rod was not broken. But even when I put my finger over top of the spark plug hole, there's like barely any suction, no compression. I even hooked up the compression tester. It still says 0. So even after pulling it plenty of times, yeah, I'm getting this. The machine is in good shape, as you can see. Relatively new. This is the 208cc from Craftsman. We're going to find out why it doesn't have compression. Take the valve cover off, and I just want to make sure one last time that these valves are going in and out, and they are. And if I get all the way out here to about top dead center, so the first thing I want to do here is I just want to double check to make sure that these aren't over tight. This exhaust valve did seem a little on the tight side, so I'm going to loosen that up a little bit, try to put it in spec, and then I'm going to double check to see if there's a compression next. So with a 10 and a 14, I'm going to loosen that up. For the exhaust here, I'm going to run somewhere between 4 thousandths and 6 thousandths. Same thing here for the intake. I'm going to run another compression test just to check. Just to make sure it's not the valves are out of sync here. Well, I got some compression. Carb cleaner down the spark plug hole. Well, we got some power, so that's a good sign. I might need to clean the carb and stuff like that. The gas in here looks pretty old, at least a year old. Get a little crusty around the top, but I'm happy that it started. So maybe I'll do a carb clean and see if I can get it going. All right, so it will run on choke, so that means I got to clean the carb, but I'm ecstatic that that runs after just adjusting the carbs. Pretty crazy. Um, Normally you get like a low power first, but not necessarily just complete no power, no compression at all. So pretty nice. I'm going to clean the carb and clean it up and list it up for sale.